Hello guys, today we're going to unbox and install the Chigi SR1. So this one is the millimeter wave of the Chigi, and this is the physical device aside from the BSD or the blind spot detection. So this one is the much more accurate, given more accurate distance to know if there is a car behind you or in your sides. So this will really help you as a rider to be safe on the road. So let's install this and let's start doing it. So first, unbox muna natin. So upon opening the box, you will see the radar and the lights. So here is the lights. Ito yung mga signal magsi-signal sa atin if there is a car behind us or behind in our left or right sides. So this will really help us to identify kung saang side ba yung car mismo. So ayun na naman basically yung gusto ni Chigi sa atin is be us safe on the road and be always alert on what's happening kahit sa likod man natin or sa gilid natin. So, this one is the millimeter wave or ito yung radar natin. Ito yung lights as katulad ng sinabi ko kanina. So, tanggalin na natin siya sa box para makita natin. So, upon opening, meron tayong 3 wires dito. 3 wires. So, usually, power and then ito yung mga for the lights natin. So, this one, ito yung power adapter natin. Tanggalin natin. So, for the power adapter, you can see here. So, medyo mahaba-haba yung power adapter natin. Although dito yan. Nandito lang yung side na paglalagyan natin. Dito here. So, may space tayo for itago yung ano. So, I see. So, ito for the ACC wire, positive and then the negative wire. And then, syempre may fuse na siya. Then, ito, ilalatag natin to sa one is for the radar and the other, ito yung for the radar natin. And then, ito yung for the lights natin. So, syempre, meron na tayong mga zip tie, rubber ties, and then ito yung lagayan ng for our mirror. So dito. So pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa mirror. And then we have the 3M and then yung mga screws or yung mga Allen wrench. So tanggalin na natin. Yung upuan ko is quick release lang. Yan. Medyo madumi lang. And then, tanggalin natin yung battery cover. Yung. So, syempre, pag tanggalin natin yung battery, kailangan natin ng screw. Ah, zip tie. Tapos, right, tapos left. Ito, left. Dito natin siya lalagay. Right. Yung umilaw. So, medyo magaling tayo sa pag-part ng pag-install. So, ngayon, prepare natin siya dito. Let's wait for the Chigi to start. Settings tayo. Features, BSD, and the millimeter wave. And so, makikita mo CG radar. So, yan. Yung. So, try nga natin. Nandito ako. Features, BSD, and then connected yung radar natin. Voice alarm. Yan. So yun guys, we're done. We're done installing the Chigi SR1. So ligpitin na natin to. And then let's go for quick ikot lang.